Hello guys, so in today's video we're going to be teaching you how to use Salesloft CRM. So with Salesloft you can gain a performance force multiplier, a Salesforce powered durable revenue growth and efficiency for the world's most demanding companies. Now their revenue orchestration platform delivers the first AI powered durable revenue engagement model. And more than 5,000 companies have gained a performance force multiplier with Salesloft, such as companies like Instacart, Shopify, 3M, Stripe, BioDigital, Greenhouse, and IBM. Salesloft Revenue Orchestration Platform prioritizes buyer signals to help you act first on what matters most. So it could help you with inbound conversions, pipeline generation. This helps with the positive replies and meetings booked, dynamic partner signals such as Salesforce and many others, crush quotas and delighted customers, which is expansion op and our renewals. You also get web experiences and then rep performance. Now, if we go down below here, you can see that with Rhythm, their AI-powered signal-to-action engine, it brings buyer signals directly into the seller's workflow. Your revenue team will know the right steps to take at precisely the right moments to close more deals faster, quarter after quarter. Now, Salesloft named a leader in revenue orchestration. You can see here a brief diagram of their orchestration revenue by platforms for business to business. So you can see here, yeah, they're pretty good, the orchestration of it. You could pretty much increase your revenue and then drive durable revenue fast. Take the guesswork out of prospecting, boost conversion rates, and maximize pipeline by prioritizing the hottest leads. You also get to unlock growth efficiency. Stop overpaying for tech that underdelivers and invest in a platform that increases rep efficiency and gets you to your number faster. You could also build lifelong customers by getting built credibility and preserved hard-won in relationship. Use real-time insights to consistently engage customers at the right time and in the right way. So basically, that is the demo of Salesloft. Now let's take a look at solutions. So if we click on revenue operations, we've already looked at it, I believe, but they're just consistently providing results for workflow. If we go to the pricing, this is the pricing. You will get pipeline generation, revenue coaching or rep coaching, full customer lifecycle workflows, conversion intelligence, opportunity management, and then forecasting and revenue management. So that is the demo of today's video. That is the Salesloft CRM quick overview. I hope you found this video helpful.